Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by today to look at our used chipper. Today we've got a BC700XL. This is a 2022 model. It has 525 hours on it. It's been through the shop, been serviced, some minor repairs made, and it's ready to go to work. I'm going to crank it up, engage it, show you all the functions work, and run a 2x4 through it just to show you that the chipper chips. As you can see, everything on the chipper works like it should. Auto feed works. This machine does not have a direct engage, just it has a centrifugal clutch on it. When you idle the engine up, it automatically engages the cutter wheel. She is ready to go to work. I'll show you the hour meter. Give us a call if you're interested.